For thousands of years, humanity has stared into the night sky, imagining stories about the stars and the mysteries hidden among them. Yet the theories, equations, and models we've built to explain our place in the cosmos are now being challenged in ways no one expected. The James Webb Space Telescope, one of the greatest achievements of modern science and engineering, has begun revealing phenomena that overturn much of what we thought we knew about space, time, and the very fabric of reality itself. Galaxies appearing far older than models predict. Planets larger and stranger than our theories allow. Patterns in space so precise they seem to defy chance. Even signals that are steady, rhythmic, and unaccountably artificial. None of these findings comfortably fit within established astrophysical frameworks. This is not just another breakthrough. It's a collision between our assumptions and the deeper truth of the universe. During its deep field observations, Webb produced the most detailed portraits of the cosmos ever taken. But hidden among the breathtaking images were puzzles no one expected. In the galaxy cluster Abell 2744, researchers spotted symmetrical points of light, a geometry of alignments that shouldn't occur in the random churn of galactic evolution. In the spiral galaxy NGC 1365, unusual motions hinted at gravitational forces that break our simplest models. And as the telescope looked further out, the cosmos only grew stranger. Patterns repeated across vast distances. Structures displayed almost mathematical precision. Scientists tried to call it coincidence, but the anomalies multiplied, too many, too exact to ignore. Some began whispering, "Maybe we're not seeing chaos at all, but a deeper order our science has yet to describe." Among Webb's many targets was the exoplanet HIP 6E6b, hundreds of light-years away. What the telescope found stunned astronomers. This world is 7 times the mass of Jupiter, orbiting its star at a distance 3 times greater than Neptune, circling a star just 15 million years old. No current model explains how such a massive planet could form so far out, so fast, and remain stable. There's no leftover disk of gas or dust. No gravitational mechanism we understand. Some scientists now speculate, what if this planet didn't originate here at all? What if it's a relic of a prior system, transplanted or deliberately placed long ago? For now, it glows at over 1000 degrees Celsius, suspended in a system that by rights should never have built it. Webb also captured one of the most perfect Einstein rings ever seen, a phenomenon where a foreground galaxy's gravity bends the light of one behind it. But this particular lens, surrounding galaxy J418, forms an almost flawless circle, a level of symmetry so exact it stunned astrophysicists. Such alignment requires conditions precise to fractions of a degree across billions of light-years. This is not just rare, it's cosmically improbable. Could this point to a deeper symmetry in spacetime itself, hinting at a hidden geometry shaping the universe? Even more shocking, Webb detected massive, mature galaxies just 180 million years after the supposed Big Bang. In cosmic terms, that's virtually impossible. Our models predict that galaxies of this size and structure couldn't have formed so soon. Yet Webb shows them as large and stable as the Milky Way when the universe should still have been a chaotic sea of gas. This has forced cosmologists to rethink the very foundation of modern cosmology. Could the Big Bang be only part of a much older history? In a quiet region of space with no visible galaxies or stars, Webb found another puzzle. Light from distant galaxies bending as if by an invisible mass. Astronomers tentatively call it dark matter, but the effect is far too strong and localized for known theories. It behaves not like a diffuse cloud but like a defined object with edges and symmetry. Could this be dark matter condensed into an unknown form? Or something far older, a hidden structure warping space in silence? Some physicists are now considering ideas once dismissed as fantasy, that this may be evidence of something built, ancient, and invisible. Webb also uncovered a colossal intergalactic filament, a billion light-year-long chain of galaxies and matter aligned with uncanny precision. Scientists have mapped cosmic filaments before, but none like this. Its density, regular spacing, and repeating voids resemble a grid, almost like a framework across the universe. Mainstream cosmology attributes such patterns to gravity acting over eons, but here the symmetry is hard to ignore. Even the redshift readings form a wave-like regularity, as if the cosmic fabric in this region had been laid out with intention. Could this be where the fingerprints of an ancient intelligence begin to show? One proposal now moving from speculation to serious discussion suggests that dark matter itself may carry information, not data as humans store it, but some deeper cosmic memory. Webb's images show clusters echoing older formations, as though distant structures were imprinted on the present. What if dark matter preserves gravitational memories of past universes or earlier alignments, shaping new galaxies based on ancient patterns? It's an idea that merges physics with philosophy, implying that the universe not only has a beginning, but a memory of what came before. But the most unsettling discovery may be the one few are speaking about openly. During a deep field scan of a void region, Webb recorded a series of pulses, faint flashes of light too regular to be random and unlike any known star or pulsar. They appeared at exact intervals, then disappeared. At first, researchers blamed a glitch. But independent systems confirmed the signal. The origin point shows no star, no heat, no visible source, just a steady rhythm as if something were timing it. NASA has made no official statement, but behind closed doors some are asking an age-old question. What if it's a message not meant to be decoded, but simply noticed? And if so, who, or what, was meant to see it? Webb was designed to reveal the distant past. Instead, it may have revealed something far deeper, that we are not simply observers of the universe, but participants in a system older, more precise, and perhaps more deliberate than we ever imagined. Galaxies that shouldn't exist. Planets that defy formation. Signals without sources. Structures that mirror intelligence. These are not fragments of science fiction. They're measurable data that challenge the bedrock of our understanding. If the patterns are real, if the pulses are deliberate, if the cosmos remembers, then we must face the most profound possibility of all. We have never been alone. Not in time. Not in space. Not even in thought. What Webb may have uncovered is not merely a map of the early universe, but a message, or a system waiting for us to look closer. And now that we have, we may never see the stars the same way again. So what do you think? Are these signs of something more, or are we simply seeing our own need for meaning reflected in the void? Let us know your thoughts. And if you want to keep exploring the mysteries Webb is revealing, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The next image may not show us where we came from, but where we're meant to go. We'll see you beyond the veil. The James Webb Space Telescope has ushered in a new age of cosmic exploration. These findings challenge every assumption, forcing us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. As we analyze the data, the questions multiply. Are these anomalies evidence of a more ordered universe? Does dark matter carry a cosmic memory? And what about the strange pulses hidden in the deep scans, signals, or noise? These questions touch the core of our existence. If the universe is more ordered than we believed, it hints at a designer, a builder, a watchmaker. If dark matter carries memories, it suggests a past older than our own. If the signals are intentional, it means we are not alone. There are no easy answers. But they are worth asking. Questions that push us to look beyond what we know and see the cosmos as it truly is. Webb has opened a door to a new era, One that will test our courage, our imagination, and our capacity to wonder. As we step through that door, we take a leap toward understanding our place in the universe. We may not know what lies beyond, but the journey has only just begun.